What's going on, guys? This is going to be the video for my 0809 Upper Deck Signature Sensations case hit set that I got so far. So first, Mark Frazier, Andy Green, Travis Zajac, Darcy Tucker, Milan Hajduk, Ryan Smith, Daniel Paille, Matt Ellis, Drew Stafford, Thomas Plihol, Devin Setoguchi, Milan Mahalik, Drew Larman, sorry, Stephen Meyer, Noah Welch, another Matt Ellis in a Kings uniform, Jonathan Bernier, Greg Moore, Brandon Dubinsky, Kyle Chipchera, nice Yaroslav Halak, Ryan Parent, Mike Knuble, Jeff Delorier, Marc-Antoine Pouliot, James Shepard, Josh Harding, Tomas Paparle, Radislav Klesla, Yannick Hansen, Eric Klusti, Brendan Bell, Chuck Kobasu, Jay McClement, Rich Peverly, Daniel Carcillo, Matt Niskanen, Kevin Nastyuk, Blake Como, Renee Bork, Bobby Ryan, finally Nikolai Habibulin. So if you guys have any of the cards you didn't see or know somebody who does, tell them to get in contact with me. So let me know what you guys think. Alright, later.